Need a medication designed specifically for you? Since one size does not fit all, and commercially available products may not meet your individual, unique treatment needs, Remedy Rx can help by compounding the perfect fit. This can include compounding customized dosage forms, removing allergens, or simply improving the taste. The pharmacists at Remedy Rx Pharmacy are trained in compounding medications for a wide range of conditions, such as hormone replacement, pain management, veterinary, dermatology, pediatrics, and many more. We at Remedy Rx will provide that perfect link between patient and physician to ensure a seamless experience in the management of your health. We are a local, independently owned pharmacy serving Roseville, Rocklin, Granite Bay, and surrounding areas. If you can't come to our door, we can come to yours. Ask us about our delivery and shipping options. Reach out to us today at 916-740-1600.